What's poppin'? Is Cassius Cuvée. I've made a lot of videos about Breakout Prop, the evaluation, the terminal, the payouts, but I've never put it all in one place. One full video, top to bottom. That ends today. No fluff. If you're wondering whether Breakout Prop is the right fit for you, this video has the answers. Stay till the end. I'm going to show you the actual platform live. Nothing in this video is advice. Results may vary significantly based upon individual skill set and market conditions. Please do your own research before making any financial decisions, and you can go on Breakout Prop's website and read all the rules for yourself. Quick recap for anyone new. What even is a prop firm? Here it is in 3 steps. 1, you pay a one-time test fee. 2, you take a trading evaluation, hit a profit target while staying within drawdown limits. 3, you pass, you get access to capital, real capital, up to $200,000 in Breakout Prop, and you keep 80% of everything you make. The key thing here is this, and this is the whole point, is that your downside is fixed. Your worst case is the fee you paid up front. You don't get margin called, you don't lose your savings, you lose the fee. That's it. And your savings stay completely separate. Most people who are trading crypto on exchanges are running unlimited downside risk every day. Funded trading flips that structure, and that's what Breakout Prop does. Let me tell you the first thing that makes me take Breakout Prop seriously right now. They're owned and ran by Kraken. Kraken has been around since 2011, one of the most regulated, most established exchanges in the whole crypto space. When a firm like that owns and runs a prop trading platform, that means something. No other prop firm in this space has that ownership, 0. And the track record backs it up. Since launching in November 2023, Breakout Prop has paid out over $30 million to traders. Not processed, not approved, paid, on demand, same day. And look, this is what it looks like for my community specifically. We are now over $1.5 million withdrawn by traders using my code. 191 traders. Average payout is nearly $7,000 per trader. It's not hypothetical. Those are real people, real payouts. The prop firm space is a trust problem. Firms disappear. Rules change after you already passed. Payouts get denied with no explanation. Breakout is different. Owned and ran by Kraken. Trustpilot rated. Over 30 million paid. The receipts are there. Now let me talk about the rules, because this is exactly where a lot of prop firms trip people up on purpose. Most firms have a consistency rule where your daily profit can't exceed a certain percentage of your total. So let's say you have your best trade ever, you're penalized for it. Breakout Prop has no consistency rule. And that's what people in this space have been desperate for. Most firms have profit caps. You can't make too much a month or they'll close your account, which is insane. Breakout Prop has no profit cap. There's no minimum trading days, no time limits on the evaluation, no news trading restrictions. You trade how you actually trade. The rules Breakout Prop has, there's 2. A daily drawdown limit and a max drawdown limit. That's it. Those are the 2 fences. Stay within them, and there's no hidden agenda waiting to catch you up at the finish line. Clarity. You do the work, you pass, you get paid. Simple, fair, trader first. I've been trading with them for a long time, and I feel like the rules are fair. All right, let's get to the action here. This is the dashboard. This is your back end after you purchase your evaluation, okay? Now, as you can see, I purchased a $100,000 classic evaluation, and the classic is my favorite, okay? That's the one that I recommend to anybody who's new, but you can pick whatever one you want. So here you've got a $100,000 balance. Your goal is $110,000, meaning you got to make $10,000 before you have a maximum drawdown of $6,000, which would put you at $94,000. So these numbers are not going to change. What you're watching here is the maximum daily loss here. So it starts out at $97,000 is the maximum equity limit, but that's basically $3,000 in a day is your max drawdown for the day. Here is a clock that shows you when that day is going to reset. Now, this is important because you might be up to 106,000, and this will then be changed by then to say 103,000 based upon this daily clock. It'll reset when this gets to 0. So there's a strategy around that, whereas if you're losing a little bit for the day, then you could just stop trading until this clock goes back to 0. This is never going to change. This will just reset, and you're going to see another $3,000 with wiggle room here. Now, as you can see here, this is the $100,000 valuation. I haven't started yet, so there's no profit or volume. But now we're going to click on Open Terminal, and that's going to take you back to the trading terminal screen. And this is the Kraken terminal. It's not some janky third-party dashboard. This is the actual Kraken trading interface, the same one professional traders use on one of the biggest exchanges in the world every single day. your pairs, your order types, your position. It's all here. So now we come back to the back end, and this is the tab for your payouts. This is where you actually request your payouts for your winnings. Now, it's on-demand payouts. This is what it actually looks like. One click, you request, you get paid out. No forms, no approval queue, no come back in 2 weeks. I've seen people request in the morning and have their funds by that same evening. That's the whole platform, professional, clean, no surprises. I have videos on my channel that goes through this step-by-step in detail on real payouts. Check it out. This tab is where you can purchase an evaluation from the back end. As you can see here, it lists all the valuation sizes. The one I like to do is the one-step classic. As you can see right now, the price is $800. Actually lowered the price. Not sure how much longer that's going to be that price. But basically, this is how it works. So zoom in here. Let's see. You get to keep up to 90% of the profit split. And the way that works is that if you actually click a box at the beginning, you can pay a little bit more on the front end to take home 90% instead of 80%, which is the default. Right here, it shows you the payout goal. It shows you the max daily loss, as we discussed, 3%. 6% is the maximum. This is the daily. This is the maximum. And then right here, you can see the leverage is up to 5x. I need to explain this to people who are new. The way it works is that Breakout Prop has built-in 5x leverage on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and that's automatically built in on the back end. You cannot adjust it. All of the other altcoins, it's 2x leverage. So that's why it says up to 5x leverage, because that's for Bitcoin and Ethereum. You'd click on this right here, and that would actually open up the purchase evaluation. The other options are Pro and Turbo. You can see that there are different amounts and different rules for them. I have other videos on my channel that explain those, so I won't go over them in too much detail, but this is where you can quickly purchase an evaluation from your back end. I want to go back to the trading terminal here because this is just how I like to have it set up. I do have a brand new video, not too old at least, that actually goes over the basic walkthrough of how you navigate this screen and the different things you can do up here, different things you can add and subtract away. This is actually like TradingView built into here, so even if there was only one of these, you could click on multi-chart, you could see 3 of them, 2 of them, 1 of them. I have a video that explains all that stuff in more detail on my channel. So definitely check those videos out. So here's what I would get if I was going to give Breakout Prop a try. This is what I'd go for. The $100,000 classic one-step. And as you can see, it costs about $800. And the profit target is 10%. There's no time limit. There's no minimum days. There's no consistency rule. Remember, you can have as much time as you want to pass it. I actually just had someone pass it. Someone I know, and they took their time, and congratulations to him. One good move, and you could pass it in one trade. I actually have a video on my channel that shows that I did that on the last time I passed an evaluation. So when you pass, you're trading $100,000 with 5 times that leverage on Bitcoin and Ethereum. 10% gain on a funded account is $10,000. You could keep up to 90%, meaning you could withdraw $9,000 if you check that box at the beginning at checkout, or you'd be keeping $8,000. That's 80%, and on something that only costs you $800. So your maximum loss is always the evaluation fee. That's it. There's no margin calls. There's no debt. There's no liquidation of your own savings. There's nothing additional other than what you've purchased for the evaluation. If you got anything of value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. You can also subscribe to Breakout Prop's channel on YouTube, and I'll see you guys on the next one.